Pollution is concerned, I don't think there is much pollution as of now, and I believe that with the many agencies have got involved. Many agencies, many bodies, like even the Honorable High Court, has taken up this issue regarding coal pollution. I am told that recently Government of India increased the capacity of coal handling at Marmagua port, and that is as far as Government of India is concerned. As far as Government of Goa is concerned, Government of Goa has not yet approved the hike in handling quantity, because the agencies involved are supposed to erect a dome, a structure wherein there will be no coal dust flying around the place. So until such time, we will not permit increase in handling quantity. We will also ensure that the structure is erect. It is envisaged that it should be complete during this year. And I believe to a large extent, coal pollution will be resolved.
So why state government has not taken action? Means like that every year same issue is raising and
No,
they are handling.
no, I agree with you. I agree with you. I'm not going to deny that. That is why we have identified a design of a structure which will reduce, or which would bring down to almost zero the dust pollution in Marmagua port and its surrounding areas.